Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, this cool amazing product right here in my hand, and basically what this is a bike lock, and it's from this brand in particular. So for this brand, they actually make a lot of different bike locks, but this one is very different than the other ones that are out there because this one is supposed to have a combination. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, this is basically what it looks like inside. Let's take it out. Alright, so inside right here, they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right here is basically what the product looks like. So they do give you guys a mounting accessory that's used to mount it onto your bike. So this way you guys can actually use this to hold the bike lock. So just like this. So once you guys lock it in, they can clamp this onto your bike. So that way you guys know exactly where it's going to be each time. If you guys want to release it, just press the button right here and pull it out. And then it's all set with that. So for this bike lock, you can see actually use a combination right here to actually open it. So for those of you guys who don't want to carry a key with you guys and you guys just want to make it easy for you guys just to remember a combination or code, this is actually pretty cool and super convenient. But when you guys take a look at the actual product in terms of the cable, you can definitely see and feel the cable is pretty high quality. It definitely has that really strong stainless steel cable inside, so that way it actually makes it a lot harder for people to cut it or steal your bike. And on the outside, they do have the vinyl coating as well. So that way it actually prevents the product from getting scratches. But first thing, let me actually cut out the wrapper right here first. Alright, so once we cut out the wrapper, you can see that is basically what it looks like. So for this bike lock, it is a 4 combination of bike lock. So you need to set a 4 combo in order for you guys to open it and close it. So if it's your first time using it, you want to set the combo to 000 to open it up. So just like this. And we open it up. You guys can see that we unlocked it. And then if you guys want to set your own combo on here, you can definitely do that as well. So what you guys want to do is once you guys set it on the combo you guys have, you guys want to turn this little knob right here this way. And now you guys can change the combination. So I'm going to set it to 888. Alright, so I've set it to 888. So what I want to do is turn it back the other way. And then now the new combination is 888. So I lock it in. If I change the combo to 000, it won't open up because my new combo is 888. Alright, so I try to open it up. It works. So that is basically how you guys open up the lock and how you guys change the combo on here. If you guys can see, it's pretty straightforward and very easy to do. And definitely one of the coolest thing about this cable is the fact that the material on here is really strong like I mentioned. But they also mentioned how it's rust resistant or rust proof as well. So you don't have to worry about the product rusting over time, which is pretty convenient. But let me actually open up to show you guys how long the cable is. Alright. So when we extend it, you guys can see how long the cable is. It's roughly around 4 feet. And when you guys feel the cable on here, it's definitely really strong and really durable. And for this lock, they actually come in different colors as well. I believe like pink, yellow, and the list goes on. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially like I mentioned earlier, if you guys are trying to look for a bike lock where you guys don't have to use a key and you don't want to remember like a combination, so that way you guys have to bring a key with you guys everywhere, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to use one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.